Hello and welcome back to Tech. This is my review for the JBL playlist speaker, a Chromecast speaker, a Bluetooth speaker, an amazing speaker. Let's just begin. But wait, before we begin, I would just like to say thank you to everyone for subscribing. The all new subscribers, the old, everyone. If you're here, please subscribe so I can continue to grow. Let's go back to the speaker. When you say JBL, you mean top of the notch. On top here, we have 5 capacitive buttons. The power button, the volume down button, the play pause button, the volume up button, and at last, the Bluetooth button. So you can connect your mobile phone. Let me show you how. You press the power button, like I did. Then you press the Bluetooth button, like I did. You go into the Bluetooth settings of your mobile phone, you search for JBL speaker, and you just press pair, like this. When it's paired and connected, you will hear a sound of the JBL speaker. Then you just have to go to your music player and press play, and you will hear the music on your JBL playlist. Let me turn up the volume and maybe turn the speaker so I'll show you how the subwoofer works from the rear, because the JBL speaker has a subwoofer on the rear. Let me volume up so you can see it bounce. The JBL playlist has Chromecast audio built in, so you can connect your Google Home with it and play music, just like this. Okay Google, play no copyright music from Spotify on JBL speaker.
Okay, play no copyright sounds on Spotify.
Please keep coming, hold me now, and I will never let you down. I said, please.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like if you liked, dislike if you didn't like it, and please comment so I can continue to grow. And if you liked it, please subscribe. Thank you very much.